What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. Since we did a mascara and how to make your eyelashes curly last week, I thought it would be fun today to do another makeup tutorial. And today we're going to talk about how to brighten your eyes and really make them pop. If you're new here, I am Ray. I'm a professional hairstylist, beautician, cosmetologist, whatever you want to call me, that's me, as long as they are nice things. All right, y'all, let's get started with our little makeup tutorial. You're gonna need just a couple of things. Number one, a Q-tip. Number two, a light colored inside eyeliner pencil, inner eye brightener. This one is NYC, and it's kind of like a purpley color, and I like it a lot because it's, I don't know, it just adds a little something more than just using like a white or like skin toned color. And then I have this Makeup Forever sculpting palette that I like, but it's got a cream color that we'll be using in a second, and then a powder highlighter. All right, so let's get started. Get your Q-tip out, and what you'll want to do is make sure you don't have any like dust from your eye makeup or your mascara, and just like super gently go up underneath your eyes, because any of that like dark stuff will obviously make your eyes look darker, and that is not the goal here. And then the next thing I like to do, admittedly, I like to do this before I put mascara on, but it's probably even better to do it afterwards. Make sure it's all the way sharp. I have definitely stabbed myself like in the eye with these edges before when I have not made sure that it's been sharpened. Partially related note, hopefully I can do this without stabbing myself in the eyeball. And I think what I'm gonna do is just do one eye so we can see the difference of like doing this technique or these things versus not doing them. You're gonna gently do the inside part of your eyelid. And already like that's a huge difference just from like here versus here, right? Next step, gonna be the cream highlighter. And you could use like, if you had a brighter concealer, sometimes I'll do that too. And I just get like my pinky because I just want a tiny bit, right? Just a teensy bit. And then I like dot the inside corner of my eye. And then the inside corner down here. And then what I'll do is once I've done just like a little dot, and you can see there's still a little bit more on my finger, I will take my pinky and run it down. And then whatever's left, I'll take the outside corner and go up. And let's just like rub this in a little, just like wisp it over and wisp it up. I actually want just like a little bit more, so I'm gonna get a teensy tiny bit more and come over here, this outside corner, wisp up, and then I'm gonna wisp down again. And you can see this eye is like really starting to pop. And the last thing I'll do is I get my highlighter, and with my fingers, I know some of y'all probably are like anti using your fingers for makeup, but I'm not. I use a brush for a lot of things, but these things I just like to do with my hands. All right, so just get like a smidge on your finger and go kind of like underneath where it tends to be darker and swoop up. And then I do kind of like the same half circle on the top part. And then let it sit for a few minutes. Just kind of let it settle, and then go back and you can sweep over it to get any extra off. And ta-da! Highlighted, happy eyeball, sad, not highlighted eyeball. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this super quick tutorial on how to brighten your eyes and make your eyes pop. Let me know how you felt about it in the comments below, what sort of content you would like to see next. And if you have any tips for me, I would love to know them. You know, always trying to up my makeup game. All right, y'all, if you enjoyed this video on eye brightening. Make sure and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. All right, y'all. Thank you again for watching, and I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the Real Ray. Bye.